Yo, big up on yourself, yeah? I mean, I beg you now. Like the thing, share the thing, and subscribe to the thing. You see me? And about that try style the thing. Yo, make them go and watch the thing now.
I'm not sure if everything legit, man. I just some help me need. You see me? Why ganga that one that sound shaking a blood clot, Jano. Take care. You're going like say no don't know, say me name Ganga, aka Cheese Chicks, aka Bad News, aka Mr. Arms House. What you talk about? Only thing I shake at the blood clot scrap metal, you know. $250,000 water if you don't for the works. Why? $250,000 sound nice, no blood clot.
But I hope it is real this time, my love.
But John, they make it sound how we still car. And I like that say work. You know say good at a job site or something like that. You don't know say I don't depend that. Cause I don't push no barrel. You see me? But I put the S on it star, you know, works. That kind of sound. John know that sound away of my youth like it's a works. You know what I deal with? I don't know works already.
What kind of S? S man what? What that mean?
WORKS works my youth.
Yeah, I know still, but one character S, you know. Some things is I don't know what I'm thinking is a snake. It's a snake it means still. Snake have S in it, don't it?
Yeah man. WORK snake. Jamal to blood clot. Anyway, face. Any man look for you, them can say is an intelligent youth, right?
Yeah man, you're smart man. Original bookworm, you see me?
Like me as a face. Any man look for you, I know say the brains of the operation. Saying, and if a man a give a job, I'm not gonna use the word works, you know, cause the S pan work, I make card come like him want blood clot work. So I'm gonna say job. And if a man a give a little job and say, yo, move them things from point A to point B, and when they're done, make you Z. What more you want to know, road boy?
I know a man who just come home from prison have them kind of links to start. That man know.
I talk about cat. Prison links are Achilles links. I deal it. You know, see all them big man they like Scarface and Blood Clot, the Godfather. I think the man they get big. Prison links.
Sure know my youth. So like I say, we can't go there daytime. We have to go there at night. And we can't go in through the guard gate. We have to go right back and cut a hole in the fence and get it out that way there. And that don't sound like a work still, my youth.
Them gonna show you already cat to the man say him don't want him work and them see my gateway cause him say a long time them a ask it and them a feel a way if boy I'm get another man. So him don't want me going through the gate to the camera. So he better make it look like it's a robbery, you see me?
So come here and tell us you need one of us to watch the guard if that works.
So man, they still not carrot. It's like the man I show me say I told job him really have, you know, cause him here say security asleep on him side. So he want a man for go and add security while we move the metal, you see me? I just that.
Okay. $250,000. So much of that may I get?
Holy man, I watch nothing.
That sound like a nice change, my youth. What do you think? Why, I mean, I should have said still sound kind of sketchy in here. Why, I don't know a star.
I talk about sketchy cat. I show you see pencil. Not no jar on us a road boy. You hear me? I bust me out for bust out this year, you know. But I know I'm bust though. Go make it official now.
Why, they couldn't say it no better, you know. Cause it's official, I go bust me straight, got prisoner from the thief people and things. No, me go and keep it broke, hungry and free. That life will sound better for me. Yeah. Chicken back pampas. Brown stew good tonight. Yo.